And don't afraid to remove some image because anytime you can upload it and put it again on your system. Uh, but you see, it's sometimes it can get like a 1 GB size. If you don't want to remove and download it again and again and again, and if you have some your own image like this one PG1 that I made by myself, you can save it and you can load it anytime that you want and on any computer that you want. It means that if you save some image, you can give it to your friends, to your colleague, and they can use it as it's running and as it's configured on your system. Let's save this image by Docker save the image name, the tag, and give a path. And here we save an image as a tar, is a zip file on a Linux. So is a path, any name that you want, and .tar like a zip file. Press enter. Now we can remove RMI this image from here. Let's check Docker image. As you see, we don't have a PG1 anymore, but we can load it. -I pass file name, press enter. Is already the image is already load, and let's check Docker image. And as you see is here, same image that I made, that I create like 2 weeks ago. Okay, let's continue.